Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we have an exciting topic that every car buyer should pay attention to. 20 things you should consider before buying a car. Whether you're a first-time buyer or a seasoned car enthusiast, purchasing a new set of wheels is always a big decision. With so many options out there, it's important to be well informed and make the right choice. That's why we have compiled a comprehensive list of the most crucial factors you need to consider before driving off into the sunset. When it comes to buying a car, setting a budget is crucial. It involves determining the maximum amount of money you are willing to spend on purchasing a vehicle. However, it's important to consider not only the upfront cost of the car, but also the ongoing expenses that come with owning and operating the car. The upfront cost refers to the purchase price of the car. This includes the negotiated price, taxes, and any additional fees associated with the purchase. It is important to consider how much you can comfortably afford without straining your finances. Fuel cost can vary significantly depending on the car's fuel efficiency and the distance you plan to drive. Research the average fuel consumption of the car model you're interested in and estimate how much you'll be spending on fuel each month or each year. Car insurance is a legal requirement in most places and helps protect you and others in the event of an accident. Insurance costs can vary based on factors such as your age, driving record, location, and the car model. Obtain insurance quotes to understand how much you'll need to budget for insurance premiums. All cars also require regular maintenance, such as oil changes, tire rotations, and brake inspections. Additionally, unexpected repairs may arise over time. Research the average maintenance costs and potential repair issues associated with the car model you are considering to anticipate these expenses. Cars generally depreciate in value over time. Some models retain their value better than others. Consider the expected depreciation rate of the car you are interested in, as it can impact the resale value if you decide to sell the car in future. By taking these ongoing expenses into account, you can ensure that the car you choose aligns with your budget not only at the time of purchase, but also in the long run. It's important to strike a balance between your desired car features and your financial capabilities to avoid any financial strain or unexpected expenses down the road. Identifying the primary purpose of the car you plan to buy is essential in making a well-informed decision. Understanding your specific needs and how you intend to use the vehicle will help you choose a car that aligns with your lifestyle and requirements. Here is why considering the purpose is crucial. If your primary purpose is daily commuting, you will likely prioritize factors such as fuel efficiency, comfort, and reliability. Look for a car that offers good gas mileage, comfortable seating, and features that make your commute enjoyable, such as a smooth ride and advanced technology for connectivity. For families, safety and space became paramount. Look for cars with excellent safety ratings, a sufficient number of seats, and ample cargo space for strollers, groceries, or other family-related items. Features like rear-view cameras, rear seat entertainment systems, and convenient access to child seats can also be important considerations. If you plan to use the car for off-roading or outdoor adventures, look for vehicles with rugged capabilities such as four-wheel drive or all-wheel drive, good ground clearance, and durable suspension. Consider models specifically designed for off-road activities and that offer features like skid plates, off-road driving modes, and enhanced traction control. One example of this is the Toyota Land Cruiser. If you are seeking a car for its performance and driving experience, factors like acceleration, handling, horsepower are very pivotal in this sector. Look for models with powerful engines, sport-tuned suspensions, and advanced driving dynamic features like sports mode or adjustable driving settings. If you plan to use the car for business purposes, you might prioritize factors such as comfort, style, and technology. Look for cars that offer a refined interior, advanced infotainment systems, and executive features like a quiet cabin, premium materials, and advanced driver assistance systems. Some buyers may have unique requirements or circumstances that influence their car choice. For example, if you have mobility challenges, you need a car with features like accessible entry, adaptive control, or ample legroom. Alternatively, if you frequently transport large items or equipment, a car with a spacious cargo area or folding seats may be essential. By identifying the primary purpose of your car, you can narrow down your options and focus on models that are best suited to meet your specific needs. This approach ensures that you choose a vehicle that enhances your daily life, provides the necessary features and capabilities, and delivers an enjoyable ownership experience. When considering the size and space requirements of a car, it is important to assess how much room you need for both passengers and cargo. Various factors should be taken into account to ensure the car can accommodate your needs effectively. Firstly, determine how many people will typically be riding in the car. Consider whether you frequently transport family members, friends, or colleagues. This will help you decide on the ideal number of seats required, whether it's a compact car, sedan, SUV, or a larger vehicle like a minivan or a people carrier. Assess the legroom and overall comfort for both the driver and passengers. Taller individuals may require more legroom, so it's important to consider this factor, especially for long drives. Check the specifications and try sitting in the car during a test drive to ensure it offers adequate space and comfort for everyone. Evaluate the seating configuration based on your needs. Some cars offer a traditional bench seat in the front, while others have separate bucket seats or captain chairs. Consider if you require a specific configuration, such as a third row seat for larger families or the ability to fold down seats for increased cargo space. Assess how much cargo space you'll need on a regular basis. Consider factors such as grocery shopping, luggage for trips, or any specific equipment or items you frequently transport. Check the trunk capacity and whether the car offers additional storage compartments or folding rear seats to accommodate larger or irregularly shaped items. If you have specific needs, such as accommodating a wheelchair, stroller, or large pets, consider the accessibility and space requirements for these items. Look for features such as a low load height, wide opening rear doors, or flexible cargo arrangements to cater to these needs. By carefully assessing the size and space requirements, you can ensure that the car you choose provides adequate room for passengers and cargo. This will result in a comfortable and functional driving experience, allowing you to accommodate all your passengers and carry the necessary items with ease. Fuel efficiency refers to the amount of fuel a car consumes in relation to the distance it travels. It is an important factor to consider when buying a car due to its impact on both long-term costs and the environment. Here's why fuel efficacy is significant. A fuel-efficient car can help save money on fuel expenses. Since fuel prices can fluctuate, opting for a vehicle with good fuel efficiency can provide long-term savings. A car that requires less fuel to travel the same distance will result in fewer visits to the gas station and lower overall fuel expenses. Cars that consume less fuel produce fewer greenhouse gas emissions and have a reduced carbon footprint. Fuel-efficient vehicles helps mitigate climate change and contribute to environmental sustainability by minimizing the release of carbon dioxide and other harmful pollutants into the atmosphere. Over the course of owning a car, fuel cost can accumulate significantly. Choosing a car with better fuel efficiency can lead to substantial long-term savings. These savings can offset the potentially higher upfront cost of a more fuel-efficient vehicle, making it a financially sound choice in the long run. Fuel-efficient cars often have better resale value as they are in high demand due to rising fuel prices and increased environmental awareness. When it comes time to sell or to trade in your vehicle, a fuel-efficient model can potentially fetch a higher price, offering additional financial benefits. Fuel-efficient cars often have a longer range, allowing you to travel more miles before needing to refuel. This can be particularly beneficial for long road trips or areas with limited access to gas stations. Increased range offers convenience and flexibility in planning your journey. In some regions, governments provide incentives for owning fuel-efficient vehicles, such as tax credits, rebates, or reduced registration fees. Research the local regulation and incentives in your area to see if purchasing a fuel-efficient car could provide additional financial advantages. Considering fuel efficiency when buying a car enables you to make an informed decision that aligns with your financial goals and environmental values. By choosing a fuel-efficient vehicle, you can save money on fuel costs, reduce emissions, contribute to a greener future, and potentially enjoy benefits such as higher resale value and government incentives. When purchasing a car, evaluating the safety features it offers is of utmost importance. Safety features are designed to protect you and your passengers in the event of a collision or minimize the risk of accidents altogether. Here is an explanation of some key safety features to consider. Airbags are designed to deploy in the event of a collision, providing a cushioning effect to reduce the risk of injury. Look for cars that offer multiple airbags, including front, side, and curtain airbags, as they provide comprehensive protection. The anti-lock braking system helps prevent the wheels from locking up during hard braking, allowing the driver to maintain steering control. This feature reduces the risk of skidding and improves overall braking performance. Stability control, which is also known as electronic stability control, helps maintain vehicle stability and control during maneuvers, such as sudden turns or when driving on slippery surfaces. It automatically applies brakes to individual wheels or adjusts engine power to help prevent skidding or loss of control. Blind spot monitoring. This feature uses sensors or cameras to monitor the vehicle's blind spots and alerts the driver when there is a vehicle in the adjacent lane. It enhances safety by reducing the risk of collisions during lane changes. The collision avoidance systems, which are advanced systems using various sensors, cameras, and radars to monitor the surrounding environment and detect potential hazards. They can provide warnings, apply brakes, or even steer the vehicle to avoid or mitigate collisions with pedestrians, other vehicles, or objects. The lane departure warning and lane keeping assist. The lane departure warning systems notify the driver when the vehicle drifts out of its lane without using the turn signal. Lane keeping assist takes it a step further by automatically steering the vehicle back into its lane to prevent unintentional lane departures. The adaptive cruise control. The adaptive cruise control maintains a set speed while automatically adjusting the vehicle's speed to maintain a safe distance from the vehicle ahead. It can help reduce driver fatigue and improve safety during long distance or highway driving. The rear view cameras and parking sensors. These assistive features provide better visibility when parking or reversing. Rear view cameras display the area behind the vehicle, while parking sensors provide audible or visual alerts if there are obstacles nearby. These are just a few examples of safety features available in modern cars. When purchasing a car, prioritize those that offer a comprehensive suite of safety features. Consider the effectiveness, reliability, and how they align with your personal safety requirements. By choosing a car with advanced safety features, you enhance your protection and reduce the risk of accidents or injury for yourself, your passengers, and other road users. Considering the reliability of a car is crucial before making a car purchase. Reliability refers to the car's dependability and the likelihood of experiencing mechanical problems or breakdown over time. Here is why researching reliability ratings and customer reviews is important. A reliable car is one that consistently performs well and experiences fewer mechanical issues. Choosing a reliable vehicle reduces the likelihood of unexpected breakdowns or costly repairs, providing peace of mind and minimizing inconveniences. Reliable cars often have lower long-term costs as they require fewer repairs and maintenance. By selecting a car with a strong reputation for reliability, you can potentially save money on repair bills, parts replacement, and overall maintenance expenses. Cars tend to hold their value better in the used car market. A vehicle with a reputation for dependability can attract more potential buyers and command a higher resale price. This can be advantageous if you plan to sell or trade in the car in the future. Examples of these cars are the Toyota cars. Reliability and safety often go hand in hand. Cars with strong reliability ratings typically have well-tested and reliable safety systems, reducing the risk of accidents or malfunctions that could compromise safety. Reliability ratings are done by numerous organizations and publications. These ratings are based on factors such as historical data, customer surveys, and reported issues. Researching these ratings can give you an understanding of how the car model you are interested in performs in terms of reliability. Reading customer reviews and experiences can provide valuable insights into real-world ownership experiences. Look for reviews from trusted sources and owners who have had the car for an extended period of time. Pay attention to recurring issues or common problems mentioned by multiple owners. Consider the reputation of the car manufacturer itself. Some manufacturers have a track record of producing more reliable vehicles across their lineup. Research their history, customer satisfaction ratings, and awards related to reliability and quality. By researching reliability ratings and customer reviews, you can gauge the overall dependability of the car you are considering. This information allows you to make an informed decision. Choose a car with a lower risk of mechanical issues and enjoy a more trouble-free ownership experience. Considering the resale value and depreciation rate of a car is an important aspect of the purchasing decision. Resale value refers to the estimated worth of a car when it comes time to sell or trade it in, while depreciation rate indicates how much the car is likely to lose over time. Here is why understanding these factors is valuable. Firstly, is the long-term financial implications. A car resale value and depreciation rate directly impacts its long-term financial implications. Cars with higher resale value and slower depreciation rates tend to retain their value better over time, resulting in potentially lower overall ownership costs. When you decide to sell or trade in your car, a higher resale value means you can recoup a larger portion of your initial investment. Slower depreciation can help offset the cost of ownership, reducing the financial burden in the long run. A car with good resale value can provide you with more flexibility when upgrading to a new model. The higher the resale value, the more equity you may have towards your next purchase, allowing you to upgrade to a newer or better equipped vehicle without significant additional costs. Certain brands and models have a reputation for retaining their value better than others. Research the historical resale value and depreciation rates of the car brand and model you are interested in to assess how it compares to competitors in the market. Various factors can also influence a car's resale value and depreciation rate. This includes the car's overall reliability, brand's reputation, demand in the used car market, popularity, condition, mileage, maintenance history, and the availability of newer models or updates. Residual value is an estimate of a car's worth at the end of a lease term. Understanding the residual value is particularly important if you plan to lease a car, as it affects your monthly lease payments and potentially purchase options at the end of the lease period. By checking the car's resale value and understanding its depreciation rate, you can make a more informed decision that aligns with your long-term financial goals. Choosing a car with a strong resale value and slower depreciation can help minimize ownership costs, provide better value retention, and potentially offer more options for future upgrades or trade-ins. Considering the insurance cost of a car, it is an important step in the buying process of a car. Insurance premiums can vary significantly depending on the car model, as well as other factors such as your age, driving history, location, and insurance provider. Here is why understanding insurance cost is crucial. Is the budgetary considerations. Insurance premiums are a recurring expense that should be factored into your budget. Different car models can have varying insurance rates based on factors like the vehicle safety features, repair cost, theft rates, and historical claims data. Obtaining insurance quotes specific to the car model you are considering will help you estimate the insurance cost and ensure they fit comfortably within your budget. Insurance costs can contribute to the overall cost of owning a car. A car with a high insurance premiums can increase your total cost of ownership, impacting your financial obligation beyond the initial purchase price. By obtaining insurance quotes, you can gain a more accurate understanding of the complete cost picture and make an informed decision. Insurance premiums can be influenced by the safety features of a car. Vehicles equipped with advanced safety features like adaptive cruise control, collision avoidance systems, or lane departure warnings may qualify for discounts or lower rates. Highlighting the safety features of the car to insurance provider can potentially lead to reduced premiums. Insurance rates can vary significantly between different insurance providers. Getting quotes from multiple insurance companies for the specific car model you are interested in allows you to compare prices and find the most competitive rates. Keep in mind that insurance providers consider various factors beyond the car model, so it's important to provide accurate information about yourself and your driving history to receive accurate quotes. Some insurance providers offer discounts based on factors such as a good driving record, bundling multiple policies, completing defensive driving courses, or being a member of certain organizations. Inquire about potential discounts to help lower your insurance costs. Insurance costs can vary depending on the type and level of coverage you choose. Factors such as liability coverage, comprehensive coverage, collision coverage, and deductible amounts can affect premiums. Consider your coverage needs and work with your insurance provider to find a balance between adequate coverage and affordable premiums. By obtaining insurance quotes for the specific car model you are considering, you can estimate insurance costs and ensure they align with your budget. These steps allows you to plan for the ongoing expense of insurance and make an informed decision about the overall affordability of the car. Taking a car for a test drive is an essential step in the car buying process. It provides you with an opportunity to experience the vehicle firsthand and assess its various aspects. Here's why test driving is important and what factors to consider during the test drive. Firstly is the comfort. Test driving allows you to evaluate the comfort level of the car. Assess factors such as the seating position, legroom, headroom, and overall ergonomics. Pay attention to the seat comfort, adjustability, and whether the driving position suits your preferences. During the test drive, evaluate also how the car handles and responds to your inputs. Assess the steering responsiveness, cornering ability, and overall maneuverability. Consider whether the car feels stable and controlled, providing confidence while driving. Test driving gives you a chance to experience the car acceleration and power. Assess how the engine responds when accelerating from a standstill or during overtaking maneuvers. Determine whether the power output is sufficient for your driving needs and preferences. Also, evaluate the visibility from the driver's seat. Check the positioning and size of the mirrors, windshield, and rear view visibility. Assess blind spots and the effectiveness of any blind spot monitoring systems. Good visibility is crucial for safe and confident driving. Pay attention to the noise level and vibration inside the car while driving. Assess whether there are any excessive vibrations, engine noise, wind noise, or road noise that may impact the comfort and overall driving experience. Test the braking performance of the car during the test drive. Evaluate how the brakes feel, the stopping distance, and whether they inspire confidence in various driving situations. Take some time during the test drive to familiarize yourself with the car's technology and infotainment features. Evaluate the ease of use, responsiveness, and functionality of the system. Test connectivity features, audio quality, and any other features that are important to you. Trust your instincts and evaluate your overall impressions of the car. Consider whether it feels solid, well built, and matches your expectations. Take note of any concerns or red flags that arise during the test drive. By conducting a thorough test drive, you can gather valuable first-hand experience and insights about the car's comfort, handling, acceleration, visibility, and overall driving experience. It allows you to assess whether the car meets your expectations, preference, and driving needs. Take your time during the test drive and don't hesitate to ask the salesperson any question or request additional time to evaluate the car. Researching the maintenance and repair costs associated with the car model is a crucial step before making a purchase. Understanding their average cost can help you anticipate and budget for ongoing expenses related to routine maintenance and potential repairs. Here is why it is important to research these costs and what factors to consider. First is the budget planning. Maintenance and repair costs are recurring expenses that should be factored into your budget. Different car models can have varying maintenance and repair costs based on factors such as the complexity of the vehicle system, availability and cost of parts, labor rates, and the manufacturer's recommended service intervals. Researching these costs allows you to estimate the financial commitment required to keep the car in good working condition. All cars require regular servicing to ensure optimal performance and longevity. Research the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule and associated cost for the specific car model you are considering. Consider factors such as oil changes, fluid replacement, filter replacement, tire rotation, and other routine maintenance tasks. Some car manufacturers may offer prepaid maintenance plans, which can help simplify budgeting for routine servicing. Look for information on common repair issues associated with the car model you are interested in. Online forums, owners' review, and manufacturer recalls or technical service bulletins can provide insights into potential problems or recurring issues that owners have encountered. Understanding common repair issues can help you assess the likelihood and potential cost of future repairs. Consider the warranty coverage provided by the manufacturer. New cars typically come with a manufacturer's warranty that covers certain repairs and maintenance for a specified period or mileage limit. Research the warranty coverage and understand what repairs and services are included and excluded. Additionally, find out if extended warranty options are available, which can provide additional coverage beyond the standard warranty period. Search the availability and reputation of independent repair shops that specialize in the car model you are considering. Independent shops may offer competitive pricing compared to authorized dealerships for routine maintenance and certain repairs. However, ensure that using an independent repair shop will not void any warranty coverage if it is still in effect. Investigate the availability and cost of replacement of parts for the car model. Some cars have a wide range of aftermarket parts available, which can offer cost savings compared to using original equipment manufacturer parts. However, be cautious when it comes to critical components and safety-related parts, as using them may be recommended to ensure proper fit and performance. By researching the average maintenance and repair cost, you can gain a better understanding of the financial implications associated with owning a particular car model. This knowledge allows you to make an informed decision based on your budget and the potential ongoing expenses related to keeping the car in good condition. Exploring financial options is an important step when buying a car, as it allows you to find the most suitable and affordable option for your financial situations. Here is where it is important to consider financing options, interest rates, and loan terms, along with some key factors to keep in mind. Affordability. Understanding your budget and financial capabilities is crucial when considering financing options. Evaluate your income, expenses, and other financial obligations to determine how much you can comfortably afford to allocate towards monthly car payments. This assessment will help you find a financing option that fits within your budget. Interest rates significantly impact the total cost of financing a car. Research and compare interest rates from different lenders, such as banks, credit unions, and online financing institutions. A lower interest rate can save you money over the life of the loan. Factors that may affect the interest rate include your credit score, loan-term down payment, and the current market rates. Loan term refers to the duration of the loan and the number of monthly payments. Longer loan terms generally result in lower monthly payments, but may lead to higher total interest rates cost over time. Shorter loan terms may have higher monthly payments, but results in lower overall interest expenses. Evaluate the loan terms and find a balance between manageable monthly payments and minimizing long-term interest costs. Consider making a down payment on the car to reduce the amount you need to finance. A higher down payment can lower the loan amount and potentially result in a lower interest rate. It also reduces the risk of being in a negative equity situation where the loan balance exceeds the car value. Consider getting pre-approved for a car loan before visiting dealerships. Pre-approval involves submitting a loan application and providing necessary financial information to a lender. It gives you a clear understanding of your borrowing capacity, interest rates, and potential loan terms. Pre-approval also provides you with negotiating power and helps streamline the car buying process. Pay attention to any additional fees associated with the loan, such as the origination fees, prepayment penalties, and late payment fees. Read the loan agreement carefully and clarify any questions or concerns with the lender. Understand the terms and conditions, including any potential consequences for defaulting on the loan. Explore alternative financing options beyond traditional lenders. Some car manufacturers offer promotional financing deals with low or 0% interest rates for qualified buyers. Additionally, consider lease options if you prefer lower monthly payments and the flexibility to upgrade to a new car every few years. By exploring various financing options, interest rates, and loan terms, you can find the most suitable and affordable option for your financial situation. Carefully consider your budget, evaluate interest rates, loan terms, down payment options, and other factors to ensure that the financing arrangement aligns with your financial goals and allows for comfortable repayment. Considering the technology and connectivity features of a car is increasingly important in today's digital age. These features enhance convenience, entertainment, and connectivity while on the road. Here is why it is essential to consider technology features and what aspects to evaluate. The infotainment system is the central hub for controlling various functions in the car, including audio, navigation, and communication. Evaluate the user interface, ease of use, and responsiveness of the system. Look for features like touchscreen capability, voice recognition, and compatibility with popular smartphone platforms. for seamless integration. Access the car's connectivity options such as Bluetooth connectivity, B ports, and auxiliary inputs. These features allows you to connect and stream music, make hands-free calls, and charge your device while on the go. Check if the car has multiple USB ports or wireless charging capabilities for added convenience. Consider whether the car has a built-in navigation system or relies on smartphone-based navigation through Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Evaluate the accuracy, ease of use, and availability of real-time traffic updates in the navigation system. Pay attention to the audio system quality, including the number of speakers, audio clarity, and available audio settings. If you are an audiophile or enjoy a premium sound experience, consider optional upgrades or branded audio systems offered by the car manufacturer. Explore the car's safety and driver assist technologies, such as lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. These features can enhance safety and provide additional peace of mind while driving. Check if the car offers seamless integration with your mobile device. Look for features like wireless device pairing, hands-free calling, and access to mobile apps directly through the infotainment system. Compatibility with popular mobile platforms ensures a seamless transition from your phone to the car's interface. Some cars offer built-in Wi-Fi hotspots, allowing passengers to connect their devices to the internet while on the move. Telematic systems provide additional functionality, such as remote vehicle monitoring, emergency assistance, and vehicle tracking services. Evaluate the availability and cost of these features if they are important to you. Consider the car's technology roadmap and potential for future updates. Some car manufacturers provide over-the-air software updates, allowing for system upgrades and feature enhancements after the initial purchase. This can help ensure that your car remains up to date with the latest technology advancements over time. By considering the technology and connectivity features of a car, you can enhance your driving experience and stay connected while on the road. Evaluate the infotainment system, connectivity options, navigation system, audio quality, safety technologies, mobile device integration, and any additional features that are important to you. These features can make your driving experience more enjoyable, convenient, and connected. Investigating the residual value of a car is an important consideration when making a purchase, as it can have significant financial implications in the long run. Residual value refers to the estimated value of a car at the end of a lease or a certain period of ownership. Here is why it's important to research and understand residual value, along with some key points to consider. Residual value of a car affects its depreciation rate. Cars with higher residual values tend to depreciate at a slower rate, meaning they retain a higher percentage of the original value over time. This is advantageous if you plan to sell or trade in the car in the future, as you may receive a higher resale value. Understanding the residual value can help you assess the total cost of ownership. Cars with higher residual values generally have lower depreciation costs over the ownership period. This can lead to lower monthly payments if you choose to finance or lease the vehicle, as the depreciation amount is spread out over the term of the loan or lease. Certain car brands and models tend to hold their value better than others. Research the historical resale value of different brands and models to identify those that have a reputation for retaining value. Factors that can influence residual value include brand reputation, reliability, popularity, market demand, and overall perceived quality. Keep in mind that market conditions, including supply and demand dynamics, can impact residual values. Cars that are in high demand or have limited availability may retain their value better. Conversely, with low demand or an oversaturated market may experience higher depreciation. Different vehicle segments may have varying residual values. For example, luxury cars often have higher initial prices but may retain their value well due to their desirability and features. On the other hand, certain economy or mainstream vehicles may have lower residual value due to higher market competition and depreciation rates. If you plan to keep the car for an extended period, the residual value may be less of a concern since you won't be selling or trading it in immediately. However, understanding the car's historical residual value can still provide insight into its overall durability, reliability, and potential for future resale or trade-in value. While residual value is influenced by various factors, taking steps to mitigate depreciation can help maintain a higher resale value. This includes regular maintenance, keeping the car in good condition, avoiding excessive wear and tear, and considering options or features that have a positive impact on resale value. Example is the popular color choices, desirable trim levels, or sought-after optional features. By investigating the residual value of a car, you can gain insights into its depreciation rate and potential future resale or trade-in value. Research brands and model factors, market conditions, and historical data to identify cars that are expected to hold their value better over time. This knowledge can help you make a more informed decision and potentially save money in the long run. Assessing a car parking and maneuverability capabilities is crucial, particularly if you live in a congested area or frequently encounter tight parking spaces. Here is why considering parking and maneuverability is important, along with key factors to evaluate. Space efficiency. Compact cars or vehicles with a smaller footprint are generally easier to maneuver and park in tight spaces. They require less space to navigate through traffic, fit into parking spots, and perform maneuvers like U-turns or parallel parking. Assess the overall dimensions of the car, including its length, width, and turning radius, to determine if it suits your parking needs. Good visibility is essential also for parking and maneuvering safely. Evaluate the car's visibility from the driver's seat, checking for blind spots, the size and placement of windows, and the effectiveness of the rear view mirrors. Features like a rear view camera or parking sensors can provide additional assistance and improve visibility when parking. Consider the car's steering response and handling characteristics. A car with responsive steering and agile handling can make it easier to navigate through tight spaces and execute precise parking maneuvers. Look for features like power-assisted steering or advanced steering systems that enhance maneuverability. Some cars come equipped with parking assist features that aid in parking and maneuvering. These features include front and rear parking sensors, automatic parking sensors, or 360 degrees camera system. Assess the availability and effectiveness of these features if you prefer additional assistance when parking. Look for features specifically designed to enhance urban driving and parking. For example, a car with a compact design, a high seating position, or a tight turning radius can be advantageous in urban environments where parking spaces are limited and maneuverability is essential. Evaluate the car's ability to fit into different parking space sizes. Features like parking space sensors or park assist systems can help determine if a parking spot is large enough for the car. These sensors use ultrasonic or other proximity detection technologies to provide visual or audible warnings if the car is approaching an obstacle or if a parking space is too small. Consider your specific environment and parking needs. If you frequently navigate narrow streets, deal with tight parallel parking, or encounter challenging parking situations, prioritize cars that are known for their maneuverability and ease of parking in such conditions. By assessing a car's parking and maneuverability capabilities, you can choose a vehicle that suits your specific needs, especially if you frequently encounter congested areas or tight parking spaces. Consider factors such as space efficiency, visibility, steering and handling, parking assist features, and urban-friendly design. Remember that a car's size and maneuverability can greatly impact your parking experience and overall convenience in crowded areas. Researching the reputation of a car brand is an essential step when considering a vehicle purchase. The brand's reputation can provide insights into the quality of their vehicles, customer service experience, and overall customer satisfaction. Here is why brand reputation is important and what aspects to consider. First is the quality and reliability. A brand's reputation for quality and reliability is crucial when evaluating a car's long-term ownership experience. Look for information on how well their vehicles hold up over time, their performance in reliability surveys and rankings, and any notable recalls or known issues. Brands with a strong reputation for producing durable, well-built cars often provide greater peace of mind and may result in fewer unexpected repairs and maintenance costs. Investigate the brand's customer service reputation and support network. This includes assessing the availability and accessibility of authorized service centers, the responsiveness and effectiveness of customer support channels, and the overall satisfaction of existing customers. Positive experience with customer service can greatly enhance your ownership experience and make maintenance or repair process more convenient. Safety record. Consider the brand's commitment to safety and its track record in producing safe vehicles. Research crash test ratings, safety features offered across their lineup, and any advanced safety technologies that are available. Brands that prioritize safety and consistently perform well in safety assessments demonstrate their commitment to protecting their customers. Evaluate the brand's historical resale value performance. Cars from brands known for holding their value well over time can offer advantages when it comes to trade-ins or selling your vehicles in the future. Resale value is influenced by various factors, including brand perception, popularity, reliability, and overall demand in the user car market. Brand perception and image. Consider the brand perception and image in the market. Brands with a positive reputation often have a strong following and enjoy high levels of customer loyalty. Understand the brand's positioning and how it aligns with your preferences and values can help you choose a car that resonates with your lifestyle. Look for reviews and awards from automotive experts, industry publications, and organizations. Expert opinions can provide valuable insights into a brand's strengths, weaknesses, and overall reputation. Awards and accolades earned by the brand can highlight exceptional performance, innovation, and customer satisfaction. Seek opinions and feedbacks from current or past owners through online forums, social media groups, and owner communities. These platforms can provide valuable first-hand experiences, insights, and perspectives on the brand and its vehicle. By researching a car brand's reputation, you can gain valuable insights into their track record for quality, customer service, and overall customer satisfaction. Consider factors such as quality and reliability, customer service and support, safety record, resale value, brand perception, expert reviews, and word of mouth feedback. This comprehensive assessment will help you make an informed decision and choose a brand that aligns with your expectations and priorities. Considering the long-term ownership cost of a car is crucial to ensure that it fits within your budget and financial capabilities. While the initial purchase price is important, it's equally essential to evaluate ongoing expenses associated with owning a vehicle. Here is why ownership costs should be taken into account, along with the key aspects to consider. Firstly is the insurance cost. The cost of insuring a car can vary significantly based on factors such as the car's make and model, your location, driving history, and coverage options. Research insurance rates for the specific car models where you are considering to ensure it aligns with your budget. High performance or luxury vehicles typically have higher insurance premiums, so it's important to factor this into your calculations. Fuel cost can be a significant expense over the ownership period of a car. Evaluate the car's fuel efficiency, commonly measured in miles per gallon, for gasoline-powered vehicles or kilowatts per hour for electric vehicles. Cars with better fuel efficiency can help you save money in the long run, especially if you have long commutes or frequently drive in traffic. Research the applicable taxes and registration fees associated with the car in your region. This cost can vary depending on factors such as the car's value, emissions, and local regulations. Some regions may have higher taxes or additional charges for specific vehicle types. Example, luxury or electric cars. So it's important to factor this cost into your budget. Regular maintenance and occasional repairs are part of owning a car. Different brands and models can vary in terms of their maintenance and repair costs. Research the average maintenance cost for the specific car model you are considering, including routine servicing, oil changes, tire replacements, and other common maintenance tasks. Additionally, consider factors such as availability of parts, local labor rates, and the manufacturer's warranty coverage. Depreciation is the decline in a car's value over time. While it's not an immediate out-of-pocket expense, it should be considered as it can impact your finances. If you plan to sell or trade in the car in the future, some cars depreciate at a faster rate than others. So researching the historical depreciation rates and resale value of the car model can provide insights into its long-term financial implications. If you plan to finance the car through a loan, take into the account the interest costs over the long term. Higher interest rates or longer loan terms can increase the total cost of ownership. Compare financing options, loan terms, and interest rates from different lenders to find the most suitable and affordable option for your financial situation. Certain vehicle features or characteristics can impact ownership cost. For example, performance-oriented cars may have higher maintenance and insurance costs, while electric vehicles can have lower fuel and maintenance expenses but may require additional costs for charging infrastructure or battery maintenance. By considering the long-term ownership cost of a car, you can have a comprehensive understanding of the financial implications beyond the initial purchase. Evaluate factors such as insurance cost, fuel efficiency, taxes, registration, maintenance, and repair costs, depreciation, financing and interest costs, and any specific considerations related to the car model. This will help you make an informed decision and choose a car that aligns with your budget and financial goals. Checking the demand for a car model in the used car market is an important consideration when assessing its potential future resale value. The resale market reflects the supply and demand dynamics for a particular car, which can have an impact on its value when you decide to sell or trade it in. Here is why assessing the resale market is crucial, along with key points to consider. Firstly, is the market acceptance. The demand for a car model in the used car market indicates its overall market acceptance and desirability. Popular models that have a strong following and a positive reputation among buyers tend to hold their value better. These cars are often in higher demand, which can lead to a higher resale value compared to less popular or niche models. The second is the supply and demand dynamics. The availability of a specific car model in the used car market influences its resale value. If a car model is in high demand but has limited supply, it can drive up prices and result in a higher resale value. Conversely, if there is a surplus of a particular model in the market, it can lead to decreased demand and lower resale value. The reputations of the brand and the perceived quality of its vehicle can impact the demand for a specific car model in the resale market. Brands known for producing reliable, well-built cars with a positive reputation often enjoy higher resale values. Buyers are willing to pay more for cars for more reputable brands due to the expectation of quality and long-term reliability. Certain car models are known for their ability to retain value well over time. Research the historical resale value of different car models to identify those that have a track record of holding their value better than others. Cars with strong long-term value retention are more likely to maintain their resale value, which can be beneficial if you plan to sell or trade in the car in the future. The age and condition of the car also plays a role in its resale value. Newer models generally have higher resale values compared to older ones. Additionally, a well-maintained car in good condition will typically have a higher resale value than a similar model with visible wear and tear. Keeping your car in good condition through regular maintenance and proper care can positively impact its resale value. Resale values can vary based on regional factors such as local demand, climate, and market preferences. Research the resale market trends specific to a region to understand how these factors can influence the value of the car model you are considering. By checking the demand for a car model in the used car market, you can gain insights into the potential future resale value. Consider factors such as market acceptance, supply and demand dynamics, brand's perception, long-term value retention, model year and condition, and regional factors. This information will help you make an informed decision and choose a car that has good prospects for retaining its value when you decide to sell or trade it in. Considering the duration of ownership is an important factor when buying a car, as it can impact decision regarding warranty coverage, long-term reliability, and overall financial planning. Here's why ownership duration is significant and what aspects to consider. Most new cars come with a manufacturer's warranty that provides coverage for a specific period or mileage. Understanding the duration of the warranty and its coverage is essential, as it can protect you from unexpected repair costs during the initial ownership period. If you plan to keep the car for a shorter duration, it may be beneficial to choose a car with a warranty that aligns with your ownership timeline. The expected reliability of a car can vary based on factors such as brand reputation, model history, and maintenance practices. If you intend to keep the car for an extended period, it's important to choose a model with a track record of long-term reliability. Research reliability ratings, customer reviews, and common issues reported for the car model you are considering to assess its suitability for long-term ownership. Ownership duration can also influence the importance of resale value. If you plan to sell or trade in the car after a relatively short period, resale value becomes a more significant consideration. Choosing a car with good resale value can help maximize your return on investment. However, if you plan to keep the car for a long time, the impact of resale value may be less significant, as the car's value will naturally depreciate over the years. Consider how your needs and lifestyle may change over the ownership period. If you anticipate major life events or changes that could impact your car requirements, it may be wise to choose a car that can accommodate those needs. For example, if you plan to start a family or frequently travel with a large group, a car with ample passenger and cargo space may be more suitable for long-term ownership. The duration of ownership can affect your financial planning, including considerations such as loan terms, budgeting for maintenance and repairs, and estimating the total cost of ownership. If you plan to keep the car for a shorter duration, you may opt for a shorter loan term or prioritize lower upfront costs. On the other hand, if you plan to keep the car for a longer duration, you may factor in potential maintenance and repair costs over time and budget accordingly. Personal preferences also plays a role in ownership duration. Some individuals prefer to change cars frequently, while others prefer to keep a car for many years. Consider your own preferences and how they align with your financial situation and practical needs. By considering the duration of ownership, you can make informed decisions regarding warranty coverage, long-term reliability, resale value, future needs, financial planning, and personal preferences. This will help ensure that the car you choose is suitable for your intended ownership period, providing you with a satisfying and cost-effective ownership experience. Researching and comparing different car models is a crucial step in the car buying process. It allows you to gather information, evaluate options, and make an informed decision based on your needs, preferences, and budget. Here's why research and comparison are important, along with key aspects to consider. First is the specification and features. Researching car models enables you to understand their specifications, including engine performance, fuel efficiency, dimensions, seating capacity, cargo space, and safety features. Evaluate which specifications are important to you based on your intended use of the car. Compare the prices of different car models to determine the affordability and fit within your budget. Consider the upfront cost as well as potential long-term ownership costs, such as insurance, maintenance, and fuel expenses. Read customer and expert reviews to gain insights into the reliability, performance, and overall satisfaction of different car models. Pay attention to common issues or recurring complaints that may impact your ownership experience. Consider the safety ratings and features offered by different car models. Look for crash test ratings from reputable organizations and assess the availability of advanced safety technologies such as collision warning systems, lane departure warning, or adaptive cruise control. Compare the fuel efficiency of different car models to estimate ongoing fuel cost and evaluate their environmental impact. Fuel-efficient cars can save you money in the long run and contribute to reduced carbon emissions. Research the reputation of your car brand for quality, reliability, customer service, and resale value. Brands with a positive reputation often deliver better ownership experiences and may have higher resale value. Test drives and dealer visit. Consider your needs. Evaluate how well each car model meets your specific needs and priorities. The cost of ownership. Consider the long-term cost of owning a particular car model, including insurance, maintenance, depreciation, and potential resale value. This will help you assess the overall affordability and value of each option. Personal preference. Ultimately, choose a car that aligns with your personal preference, taste, and lifestyle. Consider factors such as design, interior, comfort, available options, and overall appeal. By conducting thorough research and comparison, you can gather the necessary information to make an informed decision. Consider specifications, price range, reliability, safety ratings, fuel efficiency, brand reputation, test drives, your specific needs, cost of ownership, and personal preference. This comprehensive evaluation will assist you in finding a car that meets your requirements and provides a satisfying ownership experience. Conclusion: purchasing a car is a significant decision that requires careful consideration. By taking into account the various factors we discussed, you can make a well-informed choice that aligns with your needs, preference, and budget. Remember, it's not just about getting from point A to point B, but also enjoying the journey along the way. Good luck with your car search and happy driving.